Today we're looking at the Aiper Scuba S1 cordless robotic cleaner. This smart pool vacuum is designed specifically for in-ground pools up to 1,600 square feet and delivers powerful performance with no cords or hassle. One of its standout features is smart navigation. Unlike traditional random route cleaners, this robotic cleaner uses advanced path planning to map out the most efficient cleaning route across your pool floor walls and even the waterline. Setup is simple. Once charged, just drop it in and let it do the work. It automatically detects the layout of your pool and begins cleaning in a methodical pattern to make sure no spots are missed. With powerful suction and dual brushes, it easily handles leaves, dirt, and fine debris. The Aiper Scuba S1 also climbs walls and scrubs along the waterline, which is where a lot of grime tends to build up. It uses strong traction and smart sensors to handle vertical surfaces with ease, making your pool not just look clean but actually be clean. Another great feature is its cordless design. No tangled cables, no worrying about where to plug it in, and no interference with your poolside setup. The built-in battery lasts long enough for a full cleaning session and recharges quickly for the next use. Overall, the Aiper Scuba S1 is an impressive upgrade for anyone looking to maintain their pool with less effort. It combines convenience, smart tech, and strong cleaning power into one sleek device. If you're tired of spending hours cleaning your pool or paying for expensive maintenance, this robotic cleaner is definitely worth considering. To get your own Aiper Scuba S1 cordless robotic cleaner, visit the link in the description below and get it while on sale.